Unsa na pag-us sa PhilHealth with the passing of the Universal Healthcare Law?
Okay, thank you for that, Sir Ray. No? Under Philippine Health Insurance Corporation, we have what we call the Universal Health Coverage. No? So kini, we have this law, Universal Health Care Act, no? Or otherwise known as the RA 11223. And it's a law which was passed on February 20, no? 2019. And this paved the way for certain amendments or revisions sa ato nga mga nag-pass na ato nga mga laws. So this RA 11223 somehow made some salient revisions sa balaod para ma-strengthen nato ng implementation of Universal Healthcare Coverage.